Today we are going to discuss dimensional analysis. What is dimensional analysis? This is used in conversion. Let's start. Dimensional analysis involves some easy math, multiplication, and division. Whenever we convert one unit to other, we always need conversion factor. What is conversion factor? Like how many days in a year, how many centimeter in 1 inch, how many items in 1 dozen. That is conversion factor. How we use it? Conversion factors are nothing more than equalities or ratios that equal to each other. In math talk, they are equal to 1. Like you say 90 minutes, or you can say 1 hour 30 minutes. It's the same thing. But what we need to know, an example, there are 12 inches in 1 foot. 12 inches are equal to 1 foot. This ratio, foot to inch, 1 to 12. Like this, 1 foot 12 inch. So this is equal, right? Okay. This is written in the conversion unit like we write fraction. 12 inches over 1 foot. It means 1 foot has 12 inches, or 12 inches are equal to 1 foot. Actually, this is not fraction. What is this? Units behave like numbers do when you multiply fraction. It is inches or foot on top, and the inches or foot on the bottom can cancel out, just like in algebra. Let's solve a problem. How many feet are in 60 inches? How we start the problem when we solve it? We always start from the given unit and always divide it by the given unit. And the unit we are looking for, that's always on the top. Let's see. What units you have? Inches. So we would start from inches. Multiply by, we are converting them into feet. So feet would be on the top because the unit we want. What units we have? Inches. Like, if you understand this, let's proceed to the next step. 60 inches we are starting. Multiply by, now what unit would be denominator and which one would be numerator? We are looking for foot, so foot would be on the top. And inches we have, so inches would be at the bottom. Now see how we solve the problem. Inches would be cancelled out, the only remaining unit would be foot. 60 times 1 is 60. Divide by 12. These two numbers would multiply, divide by 12. Let me show you. Inches cancel out. What's left on the top? 60 times 1 divided by 5. So we got divided by 12. Let me explain. 60 times 1. So we got 60 times 1, 12. So it is 60 divided by 12. The answer is 5 feet. One more time. What is the formula? Formula is what units you have times what unit you want divided by what units you have, you will get the answer what units you were looking for. There's another way to write this thing. 60 inches times, instead of time, we made a bridge, 1 foot over 12 inch. That's called factorable method also. Now inches cancel out. This format is more visually integrated, more bridge-like, and is more appropriate for working with factors. In this format, the horizontal bar means divide and the vertical bar means multiply. Now, let's take another problem. You need to put gas in the car. Let's assume that gasoline costs $3.35 per gallon. Giving unit is what? You got a $20 bill. So start from $20. That's unit we have. Multiply by. Here we will write dollars. Let me write the symbols, easy to understand. And what are we looking for? How many gallons? So, gallon. 335, 3 decimal $35, 1 gallon. Dollar cancel. 20 times 1 is 20 times 1 divided by 3.35. You will get the answer. Got it? Let me show you again. I have done so that you can see how one can solve the problem. Now see, again 20 times 1 divided by 3.35. Another problem. What if you had wanted to know not how many gallons you could get, but how many miles you could drive, assuming your car gets 24 miles a gallon? Let's try building from the previous problem. You know you have 5.97 gallons in the tank. So what is given unit now? 5.97. So where you would start? From gallons, 5.97 gallons. Then multiply, and gallon would be at the bottom and the miles would be on the top. Let me show you. 5.97 gallons at the bottom. 1 gallon, your car 24 miles. Gallon cancel out. See? 24 times 5.97, you will get your answer. Let's move. There is another way to do the previous two problems. Instead of chopping it up into separate pieces, build it as one problem. Not all problems lend themselves to working with them this way, but many of them do. It's a nice, elegant way to minimize the number of calculations you have to do. Let's reintroduce the problem. You have a $20 bill and you need to get gas for your car. If gas is $3.35 a gallon and your car gets 24 miles per gallon, how many miles will you be able to drive your car on $20? I will solve it for you, then I will show you this the solved solution of the problem, which is I have already typed. 3.35 gallons, and you have what? $20 bill. So instead, we start $20 bill, multiply, then dollar over here, right? And here, gallon. We know 1 gallon, 3.35. Now our car 24 miles per gallon. This is gallons, so the gallon would go over here. 1 gallon, your car runs 24 miles. See, the unit we want on the top at the last end. Now this cancel out, G cancel out. 24 times 20, 24 times 20 divided by 3.35. So what's the answer? 143.29 miles. See, the only remaining unit is miles. Okay? So, after I have explained it, let me show you the already done solution of this. Writing in the factorable method like in bridge form. Start from same way. $20. We got 143.28. See? So now what's cancelled? See here now. Dollar cancel, gallon cancel. Only unit is mile. 24 times 20 divided by this. See, that is called factor label method or dimensional analysis. Let's solve a problem which is related to your textbook. How many moles are in 90 grams of water? How you will solve this problem? What they gave you? 90 grams. So start from 90 grams times gram is a what you want moles. We need conversion factor gram per mole. So first thing, write it down, H2O. Take your periodic table. What is the mass of hydrogen? 1.007, and there are 2, so multiply by 2. So what it would be? 1.007 times 2, so it should be 2.014 plus what is the mass of oxygen? And there is no number, so it's 1, so 15.999. So we add 15.999, so our answer is 18.013 gram. Right? So 1 mole of water, 18.013. Okay? Now, gram cancel out. What we got? 90 times 1 is 90. Divide by 18.013. So what we got? 90 divided by 18.013. So what's the answer? 4.99 mole. If you have any question, you may ask in the comment section. And the same thing we can write like this. 90 grams of water. You start from 90 grams. 1 mole, 18.013 gram, gram cancelled. 90 times 190, 18.013, and you will get what? 4.99 mole. Before I let you go, let me show you another problem. And what's the problem? You have a $20 bill and you need to get gas for your car. Gas currently costs $3.35 a gallon. Your car averages 24 miles a gallon. If you drive on average 7.1 miles a day, how many weeks will you be able to drive on a $20 fill-up? At this time, pause the video, grab your notebook, and try to solve this problem yourself. And your time is 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you can come back. I will show you how to solve the problem, and then you match your answer, your solution with mine, and you will know where are you standing, how good you are at this type of problem. Okay? So take 3 minutes, try yourself, then come back. $20 bill, 1 gallon got $3.35. 1 gallon, your car runs for 24 miles, and one day you drive 7.1 miles. Then there are 7 days in a week. Now see how the things are going to cancel. Dollar cancel, gallon cancel, miles cancel, days cancel. The only unit you got, week. So on the top you got 20 times 1, 20 times 1, and at the bottom you got 7 times 7.1 times 3.35. So you will get your answer. Okay? So your answer should be 2.88. And in the comment section, let us know if you are correct. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.